Okay, I'm here at this Infratech, which is this heater control panel. I'm gonna open it up, and this is what I'm here to change out. You can see that the wires are all melted and burnt, or at least on this side, and it tripped because this is a 40 amp breaker. Tapped off of there, but it's feeding both ways. So what happens is it's probably letting too much amperage flow here and here, since these are only rated for 20 amps and this is allowing it to get 40. So I gotta put two 20s here and here and separate these two into those two slots. And then what I'm replacing them with standard breakers with a little clip on right here. Okay, so I successfully split the two heaters, H1. Oh, I forget the diagram. Don't worry about that. I successfully split two heaters into two different breaker slots with 20 amps each. And it got a little complicated because of those. Those are called SSRs. And those little baby wires up top go to a potentiometer switch. And these wires in the bottom are one's coming from those terminal lugs and the other's going to the breaker, which goes through the breaker to the heater. And basically this wire is being controlled by that, which allows it to differentiate like temperatures. So two switches are controlling one heater each, and this one's controlling two. And but our mission's successful. We're all good here. Little heater control cabinet. Looks confusing, but basically all those little wires go to the switches. Those wires control each of these little blocks, and these blocks control the voltage on the bigger wires that go to the heaters. So when I have that little switch go to like 50%, it controls this to whatever this determines 50% is. And then 100 is, you know, full load amps, as hot as it can get. Yeah.